Welcome to a new video from the Oslo Easy channel. Today we are going to show you how to fold your panties into a perfect package like this one, so that it doesn't fall apart and you can tidy up your drawers. Let's start now. It's very simple. You have to make a fold 3 fingers below the waist, as you can see in the video. Fold on one side, fold on the other. And from the bottom part of your underpants, roll it up by pressing until the end. Now you have to unfold this fold with the rest of the panties so that it is a package like this. It seems difficult, but it is not. Try it again, you will see how easy it is. With practice, in a few seconds, you will have perfectly folded the panties. Unfold, and that's it. In this way, you can fold one by one your panties one by one, so that you have a perfectly tidy drawer. You can use the same method to organize your underpants. And that's all. We hope you liked it. We leave you some videos that are sure to be of your interest. Thank you very much, and we hope you subscribe. Until the next Oslo Easy video.